Hello class, my name is Elías Monzón. I'm from Uruguay, but currently I'm living in Chile with my family. It is composed of my wife and two small daughters, Emilia, 8 years old, and Elena from 3 years. Another one is coming, another girl is coming next month. We are not sure about her name. I'm excited about beginning a new course on my career. I'm doing a bachelor in web design and development, emphasis in development. I have some experience in the programming world, especially in HTML and CSS and JavaScript. I also did something in PHP when I was in Uruguay. This past year I was studying here in BYU, Idaho. I did courses related with this one. I did WDD 100, CIT 160, and B250. Those were very good courses. In this last one, the B250, we did a website using WordPress. I think this one does not count for much because we use a website builder, but it was a good experience. I think that in the scale from 1 to 10, I am an average of 6. I think so. I use Windows on a laptop. I'm not working right now. I had a good opportunity in this year. This semester I'm taking 9 credits. I plan to take 15 credits the next semester. Something special about me, I think I am very funny in common and special occasions, but I need to feel right to do it. It's not always. It's something spontaneous in me. Well, this is all. I think I hope you enjoy it and see you around.